Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you guys about the latest mutation that we have in Plants vs. Brainrot, which is the Abomination Mutation. Now, I don't know which weather will give that mutation, because right now, I'm just like on the admin abuse, so maybe you have to join the admin abuse to get it. But you are able to get Abomination Mutation on your plants via the new event here. And here's what the Abomination Brainrots look like. This is the Abomination W, Abomination L, Abomination Spirulino, Abomination 6-7. Oh my gosh, can't believe I said that. But yeah, it doesn't say the weather here, but you are able to get the mutation on your plant. Just I don't know how you can get it on the actual Brainrot other than joining the admin abuse. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.